Hi guys! So we are here in Waga today guys, and this is my last slab school for the year, and we are now in our accommodation, and that's behind. That's our accommodation. So I'll show you guys. So we just come home. We just finished and then we just arrived in here. So I'll show you. So that is the front. That's the front of our accommodation, and this is the house that we're staying. So it's got a tree there. It's 3-bedroom house, and it's super duper cold today. So let's go in and have a look how it looks like. So it's got a little shed there, and it's got a 3-bedroom. I actually with my friends today. Ow! So that's 1 bedroom. Massive. It's got a heater. Oh, this one has a heater. That's another one. This is the toilet. Toilet. This is the lounge room. All our food here. And then there's another kitchen here. Big fridge. It's got a stove. It's got a microwave. It's got that. And then it's got another toilet there. And washing. And it's got a nice alfresco outside. And this is another room with a heater as well. So this is actually pretty good. Also, I think this is $148 each. $138 each. Good morning, guys. So that was the longest sleep I've ever had in my life. I was so tired from driving last night, and I went to bed about 8 o'clock. And then I wake up at 6 this morning. So let's get ready for day 2 of our lab days. Last lab day of the year. So there you go. That's outside. And it's super cold today. -1. I think I saw mandarins. Let's go get some mandarins. Very frosty, and it's very fresh. Let's go get some mandarins, guys. Ugh, so cold. See that, guys? That's frost. Very frosty this morning. And look at the bones, got eyes on it. Look, got frost on it. Look at some mandarin, guys. So look at these autumn leaves. Oh, look at these. It's actually orange. Orange or mandarin? Orange. Actually, let's grab some for breakfast. It's actually orange, guys. Got one. That's your alfresco there for the accommodation. Kuha tayo ng orange, guys. Pangpaano ng pangpa-soft ng pupuk. Paano ba to? Hindi ko naman ito ma-carry lahat. Lagyan muna natin to dito. Yan. Ewan ko lang kung matamis ba to. Para naman siyang matamis tingnan, guys. O, diba? Ang fresh dito. So, hanap tayo ng malaki. Guys. Saan ba yung malaki? Malaki talaga. Ito, the biggest. Ito, guys. Oh, big. Yung mga kasama ko guys, tulog pa. Kulang lang dito sa labas. And fresh from the tree. Hanap pa tayo, ha? Yung malaki talaga para matamis. Ito guys, oh. Yes. Ayan. Pasok na tayo guys, ang lamig. Ang lamig. Diba? Naka-harvest na tayo ng oranges. Yan natin dyan. Tapos, tayo ay mag-get ready. Install the kettle for breakfast. And we will get ready, get dressed for day 2. Let's go guys! Ito na yung service namin. Driver. Day 2! Lunchtime!
We'll just follow the rules of the hospital. We're gonna work.
Oh my God! Documentation. See, we only come here once. Guys, we are in the marketplace, guys, so we're just gonna go in there and find something to eat. Dinner time. We're gonna have dinner in here.
Documentation?
Open boy?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Is that? I thought it's seafoods. Yes,
It is
seafood inside.
seafood inside.
You have really the action. 2 spoons, please.
I'm so full, guys. Very spicy. We went to the tiger. Day 3, guys. So we're just gonna pack up now and getting ready for last day, and we going straight home after. So day 3. Huh? Pato. Basin. Ambot ko na ako na ilabti. Bye house. Bye house. Bye trees.
Next time we're turning left, okay?
Next traffic light?
Yeah.
So open your window.
I promise, alright? I'll take a video of this. Last day of placement.
Yeah, placement now, residential
I'm in the
school.
Maybe we get pulled over here. No, it didn't say. Hang on. Oh, straight ahead, John. We got checkpoint.